Hey guys, if you want to see how I did these super trendy knotless braids, then keep on watching. So my hair is already parted out and twisted, so it'll be easy for me to do it. And I bought this rack from Amazon. I'll leave that in the description box to hold my braid in here. And I used the Spectra 6 value pack, so it had like 6 bundles in this entire pack, and I literally only used like 4 or 5. So yeah, all you need is this one pack for $10 and you're good. And I also used this free twist braid and some Maurice edge wax. Why can't I talk? Anyway, so I did most of my hair off camera because it is very difficult to film yourself braiding your hair. Like, it is the most difficult thing ever. But anyway, as you can see, it is super easy because I already have my hair parted off and twisted. So I'm just going to put most of it away, and I'm gonna go in one by one. So all you have to do is just separate your hair. My hair is already straightened from like 2 weeks ago. I added some Maurice edge wax to the root and a little bit to the tip of my hair. And then this is the size of pieces that you need, and I use like 3 pieces per braid. So I start off like parting my hair like I'm gonna do like a regular braid. Like I'm just gonna braid my hair or plait my hair. And I go 1, 2, and then right there I stop and I add in a piece of hair. And then I go ahead and continue braiding like this, and I do 1, 2 again, and then I put that braided hair under my finger. That's the key. Like, you have to find a rhythm, I think, and what works best for you. And I just add it under my finger like this, and 1, 2, and then add it again. And like I said, I used 3 pieces per braid. These braids that I was trying to do on camera did not come out very good because I was trying to like show you exactly how to do it, but without having to be on camera, like, it was looking fine. As you can see, the rest of my hair is looking pretty good. I did go in and redo these because, you know, this wasn't popping, but that was just because I was trying to stay in focus, not because the technique was bad. But you can do it like 1, 2, 3 and then add the hair under your finger, or do it like I did it, which was 1, 2. I kind of did it both ways throughout my hair. It's kind of based on what's best for you. And this is where the curly hair comes in. Like, right before I get to the end of my hair, I just add that braid in. It's super difficult to like explain how to do this. You just have to watch. I usually just add the hair to the middle piece and then just continue braiding. And this is what it looks like. And that is a braid. So while you just look at me do the rest, I'm just going to tell you a few things about this hair that I've noticed. The braided hair that I use, I only recommend this type of hair if you're going to add like curly hair to the end. If you're not gonna add curly hair to the end, then I would advise you to buy like regular braids and stretch them yourself, because the pre-stretched hair is very thick at the root all the way down to like the end of it, like the tip of it. It just gets really thin, and the only way it looks decent with my braids is because I was adding extra hair to it. So if you don't plan on adding extra hair, yes, having pre-stretched braids is convenient, but I don't think it will look as good. It's gonna be very thin at the end of your hair. So if you're not gonna be adding hair, curly hair like I am, then do like a regular expression braid and stretch them yourself so that it will be thick from roots to tips. Also, this is my first time doing this. I looked at a whole bunch of YouTube videos and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this, and it was pretty easy. I would say that it just takes a while for you to get used to it. So you can watch as many YouTube videos as you want, and that's just me being honest, but you have to figure out like which technique works best for you. So try a couple in the back and see what see what your rhythm is like. If you want to do it like 1-2, add hair, or 1-2-3, then add a piece of hair. Like, just it's trial and error. Like, we're all learning how to do things. We're not professionals. Like, just try, and if it doesn't look good, sis, just take it out and redo it. Like, I had to do that too. Like, it's all right. So just keep trying, see what works best for you, and yeah. Also, it was very hard for me to grip my hair because my hair is straightened. It has been for the past like 2-3 weeks. So it was very difficult for me to grip my hair. If you are natural, I am natural as well. If you did not know that, I am natural. I would not advise you to completely straighten your hair. Like, do this on stretched hair or just blow dried hair, but not like flat ironed hair, like, because it's knotless, it's difficult to like have a good grip at the roots. So yeah, don't do this on completely straight hair. Try this on just blow dried hair, so you have some texture and a little something to grip on. Also, the braiding thing that I pointed out, that is a lifesaver. Oh my god, having your hair pre-parted and twisted out saved me so much time. My mom did it for me. Thank you so much, mommy. And having this braiding thing, oh my goodness, all you have to do is just like separate all your hair and put it on this braiding thing, so that every time you need to braid, you just grab your 3 pieces and keep going. Because when you're braiding, you have like a momentum, and every time you have to stop to like separate hair and grab a piece and detangle, that just takes a lot of time, and then you lose that momentum and you lose that rhythm and you lose that flick of the wrist. So I advise anyone that's trying to braid their hair for themselves to get this rack and also pre-part your hair. If you have a friend or mom or a sister or someone, your boyfriend, whoever, get them to part your hair. And this is the end result, guys. It was super easy and it looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything else. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.